Hello, everybody. So my name is Nick Harland, and I am making these pre-lecture videos for linear algebra. So the purpose of this video is to just give you a bit of an idea of what these videos are going to be like. I'm sure anytime you're having videos associated with a class, they could be used for many different purposes. I am personally recording these videos during the pandemic. They are for my remote class, but it's quite possible and likely that they will continue to be used afterwards. So I'm not going to make any assumptions that this is for a remote class or anything like that. So just in terms of an idea, that these videos are not being made with any particular course in mind. They are meant to be generic linear algebra videos, as both at the University of Manitoba, where I'm assuming these courses, videos will be seen, have a variety of linear algebra courses as well as linear algebra pieces of other courses going on, and I wanted these videos to be as versatile as possible. So I won't be making any references to section numbers or any particular textbook or anything like that. As those things change, course numbers change, course things change. As long as the linear algebra doesn't change, I want to be able to continue to use these videos. The second thing, and perhaps the most important thing when it comes to these videos, is to just remind you that these videos are not a replacement for the course. So I'm not going to be talking about everything. You'll notice that there aren't going to be a lot of exercises or examples in these videos. The purpose of these videos are to act as a complement to the material done in class and to explain the ideas and the concepts that we're going to be seeing in class. And so you'll probably, most of the definitions will be in these videos, but we're not going to see a lot of examples in these videos. That's what the class is there for. So this is meant to be worked together with your lectures, not a replacement for your lectures. So if you're just going to, if your idea is to view these videos right before the exam, and that is going to offset months of not going to class, probably not going to work out very well for you. And also, but that being said, chances are you aren't going to bother with an intro video in that case. So maybe I'm only preaching to the choir. The other thing about these videos is they are meant to be short. Depending on the length of your class, obviously, if you're dealing with a 3-hour class, there's going to be quite a few of them. But the idea is to keep it fairly short, to introduce the ideas, and for you to view them before the class on which that is done. I can't control every instructor who might want to use these videos, but I know for myself, when I'm teaching them, I'd want students to be able to view these videos to get used to the ideas. But the idea is not that you would understand everything perfectly that's in these videos. They're meant as a complement. It's kind of like doing a pre-reading of your textbook section before you go to class. No, you're not supposed to understand every single little thing in there, but enough of it so that you can get more out of the class. That's the purpose of these videos, and that way during class time, I won't be, or I don't know, if anyone else is using their videos, you have to talk to them. But if it's me, I won't be spending a lot of time saying, all right, this is what a homogeneous system is. Stay tuned. This is what all these concepts mean. I'm going to assume you saw that in the videos, and then we can talk about how to work with them and do examples with them, and that's what class time can be all about. So it's kind of like a blended learning type situation, probably not a full flipped class, but just a way of allowing class time to be spent on exercises, examples, working together, making it active, stuff like that. But that only works if you view these videos ahead of time. Otherwise, you spend time in class just being confused about what's going on. And so that kind of defeats the purpose. So please make sure that you are keeping up with the schedule for the class, that make sure you are watching these videos ahead of time. Just getting enough knowledge there so you can make the actual lecture time as productive as it can be. All right, so that's it for the video. Hopefully that gives you an idea of what these are all about, and I will be seeing you in the other videos.